say, oh Lord Jesus. Hey, what's up YouTube? So I am with my new student, Sandra. Sandra is my Jamaican student from New York City, and she is going to be the second person in this series that I'm doing, right? So this is gonna be her first episode. Say hi to the camera, Sandra.
Hi everyone.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, cool. Okay, so Sandra is not like a complete beginner. So we're gonna record 15 minutes or so of her first lesson, and then we'll do the series. Like I said, we're gonna go through each episode showing how well she's doing, and ultimately we'll go to the DMV with her when she's taking her driving test, and we'll see how well she does. I'm sure she'll pass because she's actually not, like I said, a complete beginner. So before we get into the video though, I'm asking you to do what I always ask you to do. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I don't know what I'm saying. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Alright? And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Alright, Sandra, so we're gonna drive around. We're in the neighborhood here. We're gonna drive around for a little minute and see what you're doing. So release your brake. Again, we're gonna do about 15 minutes. Like I said, I'm keeping these videos at about 15 minutes. I don't want to make them too long. Alright, so we're gonna make the right turn. So stay close to your right lane and slow down a little and let go of the wheel. Remember I was telling you, yes, when you go around the corner,
right,
you just release the steering wheel, and it is designed literally to straighten up by itself. So really it's just about the timing. You understand? If you time it properly, it straightens up perfectly. Alright, so slow down a little bit, pull more to your right side here, and use your brakes. Slow down a little bit more and turn the wheel. Alright, you see how you have your hands twisted around like that?
Yeah.
So we won't do that. And as usual, my phone rings. I gotta send it to the... Yeah, you don't twist your hands around like that. We have this thing they call hand over hand steering. So we'll do that. You turn with one hand and then go with the other. But you don't twist your hands like that, because when you twist your hand like that, you don't really have much control. Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn here. Signal left. And slow down. You're going a little bit too fast for the neighborhood, so turn here. And say let go about there. You see what I mean? Yeah, it works. It works perfectly. Yeah, so in the neighborhood, like here, like when you go to do your driving test, it's gonna be in a shopping center. And you're gonna have to drive about 15 miles per hour, which means you need to have control of the car. Similarly, in this neighborhood, we're gonna be doing probably no more than 20 to 25 miles per hour. So it does require that you have some control of the car. So you're gonna try to maintain the speed, slow down a little bit and turn. So you're going too fast, right? And then let it go. So yeah, slow down a little bit more into the corners so you're controlling it. Make a left turn here, signal left. So you signal down for left, up for right. So you come to a complete stop. And you're gonna look over there, make sure there are no cars coming. Look over here, make sure there are no cars coming, and go ahead and make your left turn. So go into the right lane, take your time. Right lane. And then when you get into the middle of the lane, like about here, you let go, and you see that works perfectly. And then gently on the gas. I love this neighborhood, it's really nice. Alright, press gently on the gas. And we're going to make a left turn again. So signal left. Okay, yeah, so I wanted to ask about something. Okay. So what do you think about the, go ahead, make a left. What do you think about the vaccine, Sandra?
But what
the vaccine. The vaccine, the COVID vaccine, yeah. It did it. So are you gonna take it, or are you skeptical of it like some people?
To be honest with you, right this moment, no. Am I ever going to take it? Maybe. But right now, I'm all right. I'm good.
Okay.
I just make sure I do my social distancing and
Are we gonna make a left
all that other stuff that I need to do.
All that other good stuff.
Yeah.
Slow down a little bit. Slow down more.
Oh, this one's different.
And go to the right lane. All the way to the right, and then turn all the way left. So this is we call it a cul-de-sac. So it goes around in a circle. So let go of the wheel, let go. You see that? Yeah, it works just like that. Okay, stop here, and then we're making a right turn. Okay, my opinion on the vaccine, because I've had this conversation. Why is this person flying? Like, really, dude? Seriously? Alright, go ahead.
Sorry about the bad word here.
No, that's
I'm
fine.
sorry, people. Sorry, but
yeah, but I mean, they were going kind of fast. Yeah, but like I was saying, for me, right? The vaccine is a no-brainer.
Okay.
And listen to why. You're Jamaican, I'm Jamaican. We all grew up taking vaccine.
Absolutely.
And no one questioned the vaccine.
Absolutely.
We didn't know anything about it. We just took it because the government said we needed to take it.
No, I took it because my mama took me to have it taken.
Exactly.
I didn't have a choice. I got a choice now, though.
Yeah, but listen, when you grow up in America, you have to go to school, you have to be vaccinated. It's a part of...
not really.
Well, most
Depends
people.
on your religion.
Most people get vaccinated.
There you go. Yes.
But the point I'm making is, we've had pandemics in the past.
Yes, we have.
And the way they've controlled every pandemic to date was through mass vaccination. And the one thing that we are actually completely sure of is that the virus is killing a lot of people. So now we're afraid of a possible reaction to the vaccine. And I emphasize the word possible. You understand? Because so far is the people that have reactions to it are minor reactions, and it's temporary. It's not like permanently, you know, scarring anybody, right? So all the people that I haven't heard about that had a reaction to it was temporary. So the fact is, the vaccine is, you know, harmless compared to COVID. Right. Yeah, I mean, COVID is literally killing. Yeah, like, go straight. Like, we have what, over 500,000 people in this country, 2.5 million in the world almost. And
that's why I said I'm not object to taking the vaccine.
Yeah.
What I'm
You're just not in a rush.
Nah, not at all. Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Because I know eventually we all gonna have to take that.
Yeah.
vaccine.
If we trying to get back to any kind of normal life.
Yeah, we all gonna have to take it. Then
we're gonna need to take it.
What I'm saying is, I just don't want to be the first set of guinea pig.
Well, we passed the first. We're over 50 odd million people in America done take it.
Yeah, but
we're past that.
Let some more take it. I ain't in no rush.
I can't wait to take it, to be honest. Like literally, I would pay to take it if I could.
Oh, wow.
Make a right turn.
Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, because all right, look at me. We're wearing masks right now, right? Yeah. Why are we wearing masks? Wouldn't you like the day to come back around when we can just like go ahead, make it right?
Yeah,
when we could just move about our business without having to wear these ugly things on our face.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, I wear it because I know it's necessary, but do I want to wear it? Absolutely not. So I want to get back to the days when we can actually get back to some sense of normalcy. And I want to be able to get up and...
Normalcy is overrated.
Well, normalcy in terms of staying alive. You know what I mean? Yeah, like, I want to be able to meet my students and not have to worry about if I'm going to catch COVID, or, you know, if I have COVID. Worry, yeah, or they have to worry, maybe I have COVID and I'm going to pass it on to you. Yeah. I want to get back to the day when we can sit in the car, learn to drive, and have a decent conversation without having to worry about, you know, dying from COVID. If we have to worry about anything, we should be worried about getting into an accident and dying from that, but not COVID. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I want to get back to those days. So yes, I definitely think we all should actually.
Take the vaccine.
Yes, I think we should.
Well, you know, like I said, I don't object to the vaccine.
Yeah, but I've heard I've heard a lot of people with all those conspiracy theories.
No, I don't have any conspiracy theory. I'm just not in a rush to get dipped by the needle. I'm not in a rush to get nothing vaccinated in me. It's just like with the flu shot. It's the same thing.
Yeah, I've never taken the flu shot.
I've taken the flu
personally.
shot, and when I take the flu shot, I got sick.
Make it right.
I stopped taking the flu shot.
Wait for this guy. Yeah, I've never taken the flu
I
shot.
stopped taking the flu shot. I can't tell the last time. Not good, you know. I'm talking about it, jinx myself, but
I go straight across.
You told me to make it right.
Yeah, but because this guy is right there, we don't want to.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
it's easier to just go straight than to
No problem.
compete with him on the road with his wheelchair.
Not a problem. And that is not a problem. You know, but I guess it is what it is. You know.
Yeah, I'm kind of fatigued. I want to get back to normal on some level. Like I'm a music guy, right?
Right.
And we have a big sound system, and
Right.
because of COVID, the music kind of down. I like going.
Go and do. Everybody's doing that.
The virtual thing.
Yeah.
It's not the same though.
No, it's not.
It's really not.
Listen to me. This
yeah.
world is so impersonal now.
Did you watch the Barry's thing last night?
No, I missed
Yo,
it.
it was nice.
Really?
You knew about it, right?
No, I didn't.
Okay, go ahead.
When
So
was
Barry's had a virtual.
You going that way?
Yeah, make a left.
Oh, we're going
He had a virtual concert last night on YouTube,
what's that saying?
produced by VP.
Oh.
It was good because at one point they had like 107,000 people watching at one point. So yeah, that's pretty big.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're making a left here. And Barry's sound good as usual. Barry's ripped it.
You know,
So,
Barry,
yeah.
she always come through.
Yeah, he did a really good job.
I'm glad. Oh, you
Yeah,
got
go
me
ahead.
back in that.
And so he had Buju on as a guest, and then he had Marcia Griffiths as a guest.
Stop playing.
So it was wicked. But you should be able to go on YouTube and watch
I'm
it.
definitely going. I get home, gonna go.
Yeah,
look at that.
it was so nice. I was like, wow, it's a vibe, wicked vibe.
Oh,
All right, let go. See, you hang on to it that last time. Yeah, if you let go off of the wheel, it straightens up. Okay, so let me point something out to you.
Okay.
You realize you're not really stressing about driving at all, right? The more we're talking, the more comfortable you get. You understand?
Yeah.
When you're talking and having a conversation, you're not worrying about any of the stuff, the mechanics of driving. It just kind of happens.
Okay.
Right? So that's why we're having conversation. So this whole process goes by effortlessly, right?
Okay.
Alright, so go ahead and make a right turn. Signal. What is this dude saying? No shirt on.
With a chainsaw. Okay.
Exactly.
And I ain't trying to witness nothing.
Yeah, that was weird looking.
I'm coming out, big belly chainsaw hanging out. That's all right.
He looking like Sky Juice and stuff with no shirt on. That's one thing with us, is because I think that dude is Jamaican.
Oh yeah.
With us Jamaican men,
Now the women too, we love to be naked.
yeah, we be having our big bellies with
We don't care. We just
with our
love to
shirt
be,
off.
That's one thing about us. We are nature people. We from Africa. We love being naked.
Yeah, boys.
You from the West Indies? You don't like clothes.
Yeah, we don't be worried about having our big belly out there.
Nah, not at all. I'm talking about male and female. We don't care.
Yeah, the females care a little bit more than the male, but yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, okay.
She's like, oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
I know.
I don't, to be honest with you, I don't see anything wrong with it. I really don't.
I mean, it's a freeing kind of vibe where you're not really worrying about people and what they think.
Confident in yourself. That's all that is. Can't nobody take that from you, and I love that.
Yeah, you're not worrying about what people think or having that dictate your life. That's really a good vibe.
Man, if you're worried about what people say, you stupid. You ain't living life.
Well,
people gonna have they gonna always have something to say.
Well, that's a fact. I don't really care nothing about what people have to say. I never. That's straight. If you talk to anyone that knows me, they'll be like, "Oh, this dude don't really care like that." Yeah, I don't really make what people think or say have any kind of effect on me. I basically try to do what's right.
Man, you too grown for that.
Exactly.
You worried about what another person have to say. You too grown for that. That's high school stuff. Not even high school, junior high school.
No, that is a fact though. You really can't worry about what people saying, because what people saying should not really affect your life at all.
They gonna speak regardless. They gonna have something that you could be doing good. They gonna have something to say you could go doing bad.
But you know, the funny thing is, most of the time when they're talking, they don't have facts. They're just really assuming things and talking, because they don't be knowing your business really.
You think they can?
They just be making assumptions. Okay, go ahead, make your left again. Yeah, people be making assumptions, especially now in the whole social media age. Everybody thinks they know everything about everybody, when in actuality you only know what people want you to know. You know, people put out there what they want to put out there, but you don't know what the real facts are. Most of them are actually fraud, facades.
Oh,
and let go.
yep.
A little bit too fast in the
Yep.
corner there.
Yep.
Right, turn all the way left, all the way to the left, all the way, and then let go, release. Yeah, see that? That works. All right, make a right. Looks like it's going to rain.
It's overcast.
Yeah, all right, go ahead and make it right. All right, then this video is going on long enough, so we're gonna end the video. All right, so you see Sandra is doing really well. She is not like a complete beginner, like I said. She's doing well, and she is going to get her license within the 5 days. She's taking the package for 5 days, and based on what she's doing today, I'm positive that she'll get her driver's license within the 5-day period. Now the 5 day is going to take a while, because she's gonna have to look for an appointment and all of that.
Oh,
So we're gonna do the first 3. We're gonna record the first 3, and then when she finds an appointment, we're gonna record the 2 to practice the test.
oh,
And then when she goes for her driving test, we're gonna all celebrate with her, right, Sandra?
oh, okay. We doing a celebration now.
All that.
Oh, all right. So
All of that.
Celebrating, y'all.
All of that.
I'll see y'all next time.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, cool. All right, see y'all in the next video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video, next episode. All right. Bye.